just buying the low bid product that doesn't really work, we have gone the other tact. We go with engineering innovation. Happen to have a couple samples here. These would be some of the castings, except this isn't steel casting material. This is made off of 3D printers. So we'll come up and we'll say, well, we want it to look like that, but how do you really know what it'll look like? So this is one rendition, and we'll take an ink drawing and say we want to improve that, maybe make a thicker section, and then print off the next one. And this is how we get into innovation. We try and figure out what the customer wants, what the application is, and keep working on different other products. Here's one of our PlowGuard Maxes. Again, we have patents on all of these because they're just very, very unique. And so we will start to do it all in 3D, and that gives us a much better idea of what it is before we go to a foundry and have these massive pieces poured out of cast steel.